Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong but ka Orange Nissan Lom So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun ready go bathamai ka bas bat bidor.
Ka office jong ka Assistant Registrar of Cooperative East Khasi Hills District hakakat sautarik unai wing arajar arpo kala play perda ya ka jingrakhe jong ka All India Cooperative ya ka lingko ka ba henry punyos nem ya ka ba anrakhe bat penlong baro shitayo ha manlaki district ba pher jong ka jilla Meghalaya bat ya ka ba ansapenkut pat haka arpo tarik unai wing arajar arpo la play perda ya kani ka jingrakhe da ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills District ka kong Isa Wanda lalu kum ka kong san ha ka jingilang ka ba kerpang ka balalong ha Conference Hall jong ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank ka badon hanong ba Shillong la sakilang ha kani ka sngi di nong tre jong ka Meghalaya Cooperative Bank bat ka Cooperative Society kuntubru ya Managing Director ka MCAB uba OEJ Nongbri ka Assistant Registrar ka kong Embu Phang bat kiway.
The after effect of COVID was that our Honorable Prime Minister advocated for Atmanirbhar, which is self-reliance, and I feel in a way cooperative societies from the beginning, from the very inception, have been embodying the concept of Atmanirbhar, which is self-reliance, because cooperative societies in their very essence are about people coming together voluntarily in a democratic manner, not through coercion, but through a common goal with a common objective in order to help themselves to uplift their economic condition, to improve their status, to improve the lives of everyone around them. It is also a movement in which the government and all institutions make people partners in development. So I feel that cooperatives have been embodying this very spirit of Atmanirbhar. Now we talk about how we should groom cooperatives, how we should help them to tap their potential to the very fullest. I think in the context of COVID, it is all about turning a crisis into an opportunity. What is the reason for the cooperatives becoming non-functional? I think this is another question which all our field level officers should ask. Are we visiting them enough? Are we motivating them enough? Are we ensuring that they reap the fullest benefits of all the different services and schemes that the government is supplying through the department and other such? Why I feel that cooperatives can contribute so much more is because from the very beginning you are training them, you are hand-holding them, you are constituting them into fully fledged units. They have annual general body meetings, they are trained on bookkeeping and accounts, they have ledgers. These are things which all along perhaps things have been carrying on in an ad hoc manner, but cooperatives have been given the capacity. Capacity building has taken place, so we must ensure that this capacity only grows. This capacity should not diminish. And for this, we need to actively encourage them from time to time, have regular training sessions, visit them, and also sensitize and make them aware on what are the newest developments in their particular sector.
Team jongi kan ika East Khasi Hills kadai ka Atmanirbhar Bharat kadai ka team ka buat self-containment but self-reliance. The topic of the day pada kadai post-COVID-19 role and responsibility of cooperatives. Dia so tenat bagi at least video ban pendong dari program taksi di ban di Siru dan Grace Occasion bagi rason go shipun dia iru ba de pelaj bor khanang pen nama kagani ka prevailing situation menta dia ka shemte ia bhai ni pinong celebrate kadi siya gini punya buan ha nama cooperative society sering gi buan ha for East Khasi Hills dia bai nakadau jam ka new situation jam ka COVID-19 dia ni hak mensudiat kat tu kan ni kan kunjuk di bagi officers and staff kamat mamila ngai ada ban program depan taman ki districts yani ki districts mila ai tu ka team mau ini Atmanirbhar Bharat ka topic of the day pada post COVID the role and responsibilities of cooperatives. They will discuss kila ay lalaki jong program, lalaki jong topic, lalaki jong haka sini bakut pada longi ngipsum tisho mangi ka East Khasi Hills kila dia pada laka directorate level. Kita pinlong pada haka concluding